Everybody, it's Lou Sims here, and I'm popping over today to give you a little bit of a closer look at the beautiful transition layering stamps from Polkadoodles. Well, the first one here is called Spring Rose, and as you can see, you get your outline, your solid colour, your first part of shading, and then your second part of shading. You get a bud. You can add colours to the bud. You then get the further layer that you add on top. You get a leaf with a solid layer of colour, and then you can add the extra detail on. But don't ignore that stamp, that can be used in its own right. You then get 1, 2, 3, 4 additional floral elements, and you get 1, 2, 3 sentiments as well. So all in all, you get 19 clear photopolymer stamps. Now, if I do that there, what I am going to show you is on the carrier sheet that the stamps come in, you get the step 1, 2, 3. But what Nikki has done is she's also put an arrow. Let me see if I can bring it up here. An arrow here. And so that's saying if you put your stamp on your block going in that way, or your stamping platform, and you do the other one exactly the same. So as you can see here, you've got these petals here. If you line up the solid colour where you've got the petals there, they will actually stamp perfectly on top of each other. And again, with this layer here, you've got this outline bit here, which then matches in with this outline bit here. So the arrows are to give you a helping hand in where to place your stamp on your stamping blocks. Now that works identically the same for the honey rose. So you get your different stamps. You've got your outline, your solid, first layer of shading, and the second layer. But again, it's the arrow. So the arrow is pointing in the best way to actually position each of your stamps on your stamping block. In this set though, you get a wonderful set of butterflies, and these parts here can layer on the butterfly themselves or can be used as separate elements as well. And you then get this wonderful stamp here. That can also be used on top of the butterfly, or it's a great filler in where you've got gaps between your leaves and your roses. Again, 3 sentiments as well, totally different to the original set. So this set comes with 15 photopolymer stamps. So let me put these away, and I'm going to get the boards out to show you some of the ways that you can use the actual roses. I hope you found that informative, and it gives you an idea of how to use the different stamps. There are loads of different ways to do the layering. When I did some of my samples on the Hochanda show, I used one colour and watercoloured it out. I used pens, spritzed it, and created a watercolour effect rose. So they don't just think these are just the only ways to use these stamps. There are loads more. So please pop over to the Polkadoodles shop and see all the wonderful samples that have been made and all the different techniques used to create all the different rose elements and the butterfly elements within just these 2 stamp sets alone. Thank you for watching. Any questions, pop them below and I'm more than happy to help. Until next time, thank you very much. Bye bye.